Hi everyone. I've spent time using both the Google Pixel 8 Pro, which came out in October 2023, and the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, released in February 2025. Both phones have cool features, but they are different in many ways. In this video, I will share what makes each phone special and help you understand which one might be better for you. If you want to check the latest prices, I put Amazon links in the description below. Let's get started. Having used both the Google Pixel 8 Pro and Xiaomi 15 Ultra, I found the Pixel 8 Pro feels slightly larger and heavier at 213 grams compared to Xiaomi's 226 to 229 grams, but the difference is subtle. The Pixel has a smooth glass front and back with a sturdy aluminum frame, giving it a solid and premium feel. The Xiaomi feels a bit thicker and heavier, partly due to its eco-leather or fiber back, which adds a unique texture but makes it less sleek. Both are well built and water resistant, but the Pixel feels a bit more refined in hand. The Google Pixel 8 Pro features a 6.7-inch QHD+ LTPO OLED display with a refresh rate ranging from 1 to 120 Hz, offering smooth visuals and efficient power use, along with HDR support and approximately 489 ppi pixel density. In contrast, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra sports a slightly larger 6.73-inch LTPO AMOLED panel with a fixed 120 Hz refresh rate, higher peak brightness of 3200 nits, and advanced HDR formats including HDR+, Dolby Vision, and HDR Vivid. It also boasts a sharper 1440 by 3200 resolution, 522 ppi, and Xiaomi Shield Glass 2.0 for enhanced durability. The Google Pixel 8 Pro runs on Android 14 with the Google Tensor G3 chipset, featuring an octa-core CPU and Adreno 750 GPU, optimized for AI and photography tasks. In contrast, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra operates on Android 15 with HyperOS 2, powered by the more advanced Snapdragon 8 Elite 3nm, with a higher clocked octa-core CPU and Adreno 830 GPU, offering superior raw performance and graphics. Xiaomi also promises up to 4 major Android upgrades, potentially extending software support beyond the Pixel 8 Pro's standard updates. The Google Pixel 8 Pro offers a range of storage options from 128GB to 1TB using UFS 3.1 technology, paired with 12GB of RAM across all variants. In contrast, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra provides storage options of 256GB with 12GB RAM and higher configurations of 512GB or 1TB paired with 16GB RAM, utilizing the faster UFS 4.1 standard. While the Pixel 8 Pro covers a wider storage range, Xiaomi's 15 Ultra features more advanced storage technology and higher RAM in its top models, but lacks expandable memory. The Google Pixel 8 Pro features a triple camera setup with a 50-megapixel wide, 48-megapixel ultra-wide, and 48-megapixel telephoto lens, offering 5x optical zoom, laser autofocus, and OIS, supporting 4K video at up to 60 FPS. In contrast, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra boasts a more advanced quad-camera system, including a 50-megapixel wide sensor with a large 1-point sensor, a 50-megapixel telephoto with 3-cam zoom, a 200-megapixel periscope telephoto providing 4.3 zoom, and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide, complemented by ToF depth sensing and Leica optics, enabling 8K video recording. The Google Pixel 8 Pro features a 10.5-megapixel dual-pixel front camera, capable of recording 4K video at 24, 30, and 60 FPS, emphasizing smooth and high-quality video capture. In contrast, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra offers a higher resolution 32-megapixel wide-angle front camera with HDR and panorama support, enhancing photo versatility. It supports 4K video at 30 and 60 FPS, as well as 1080p at similar frame rates, and includes gyro EIS for improved video stabilization. Overall, Xiaomi's front camera excels in resolution and features, while Pixel 8 Pro focuses more on video frame rate options. The Google Pixel 8 Pro features a 5050 mAh non-removable Li-ion battery with 30 watts wired charging, 23 watts wireless charging, and supports reverse wireless charging. In comparison, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra offers a larger battery capacity, with a 524 10 mAh variant globally and a 6000 mAh version in China. It significantly outpaces the Pixel 8 Pro in charging speeds, supporting 90 watts wired charging, PD 3.0, QC3+, 80 watts wireless charging, and 10 watts reverse wireless charging. Overall, Xiaomi delivers faster charging and a bigger battery, while Pixel focuses on moderate capacity and charging rates. After spending time with both the Google Pixel 8 Pro and the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, I can say each has its strengths. The Pixel 8 Pro offers a clean, smooth Android experience with excellent camera quality, especially for photos. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra stands out with its powerful performance and impressive display. Both phones are great, but your choice should depend on what matters most to you: camera, speed, or software. Check the description for Amazon links to find the latest prices and decide what fits you best.